Difference between Gorilla Glass and Dragontrail glass. Gorilla Glass and Dragontrail glass are both types of specialized toughened glass used primarily in smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices to protect screens from scratches and breakage. Gorilla Glass is developed by Corning Incorporated, a US-based company. It is an aluminosilicate glass that is chemically strengthened through an ion exchange process, making it lightweight, thin, and highly resistant to scratches and impact. Over the years, Corning has released multiple improved versions, Gorilla Glass Victus, 5, 6, etc., each offering better durability and drop resistance. Dragontrail glass is produced by AGC Incorporated, Asahi Glass Company, based in Japan. It is also an aluminosilicate glass known for its high hardness and scratch resistance, and is often used as a cost-effective alternative to Gorilla Glass. Dragontrail offers similar protection levels but may differ slightly in thickness, flexibility, and impact resistance depending on the version. In summary, both glasses provide strong protection, but Gorilla Glass is more widely recognized and used, while Dragontrail glass is a competitive, often more affordable option. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.